ideal, eager to buy high quality clients online, I'm going to teach you exactly where to find them right now on social media and through referrals. If you are excited about quality leads that turn into eager red hot buyers faster than you can imagine, then you are going to want to stick around. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I help visionary entrepreneurs just like you activate a quality sales system in their business, master soulful sales conversations, and activate the wealth and the lifestyle that they have always wanted. And it starts, my friends, with embodying true sales leadership. And today we're going to talk about finding those amazing, dreamy, ideal clients and where are they hanging out and how it can be easier for you to start working with them right now. Now, I will tell you, when I say quality over quantity, the first 18 months of my business, these were the only areas I generated leads from. It was incredible. I had a six-figure business just doing these things, and you can do the same. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. But before I jump into the juiciness of these three areas, I would love for it to know right now in the comment section below, where are you finding your ideal, eager, ready to buy clients? I would love to know where you are connecting with them. So let me know in the comment section below. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. So first of all, you don't just want any type of lead. You want a high quality lead that is eager to work with you and doesn't take a long time to convert. That's sort of like the perfect formula for quality leads, right? So it really depends on where you generate those leads. Someone with 10,000 people on their email list might not be as profitable as somebody who has 1,000 engaged. Okay, so I want you to broaden your mind beyond some of the things that you may have been taught about how many people you need in your world to have that amazing, dreamy 6 or 7 figure business. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. Now, first of all, there's something you should understand is that I have a corporate background. So I spent 10 years going to corporate networking events, meeting clients live in person, cocktail hours, conferences, all of the things, right? So some of this came to me a little bit naturally when I first started my business online. And I was like, okay, where do I meet the people? Right? But I realized that a lot of this doesn't come naturally. And so I'm going to break it down and make it really fun and easy for you to go out there and start to activate these strategies. Okay. So first of all, the number one place you can find ideal, eager to buy clients is in masterminds, programs, and memberships. Now, let's talk about this. You do not go join a mastermind program or membership, join it and be like, hey, who wants to work with me? Because nobody's going to want to do that. But I will tell you, you will build incredible relationships with the people that are in the memberships, the masterminds, and programs. If you just show up your authentic self, naturally people will be gravitated to you. You will build relationships. They might work with you or they may have a referral. This is an amazing place to broaden your network and really build strategic partnerships and brand ambassadors in your business. So for me, a lot of my brand ambassadors were my friends that I met in masterminds, programs, and memberships. Like, it's a huge, huge opportunity. And you have to remember, when somebody says, hey, go work with Michelle, that holds so much clout versus, me being like, hey, work with me, right? If somebody else says it, it's really, really significant. Okay, and that takes me into number 2. So if you join masterminds, programs, and memberships, connect with the right people that either become your clients or referral partners. But even if they don't do either one of those things, what they might do is invite you onto their platform for a guest interview. That could be a podcast, a summit. It could be live on Instagram. It could be in a Facebook group. It could be here on YouTube. There are so many different places where guest interviews can happen. And the amazingness of a guest interview is that, oh my goodness, you have the opportunity to tap into somebody else's audience that shares an ideal client. What happens is that they will take whatever you offer during your interview, right? So you'll have a free resource and people will download that resource and then it'll come into your ecosystem. And it's this amazing, beautiful thing. And once again, just like here, when somebody else says, hey, go work with Michelle, it holds a lot of clout. So if you have someone on your platform that says, I know, like, and trust this person, you should listen to her, that is a huge place for quality leads, okay? And I'll say every single time I do a guest interview, after my guest interviews, I get really excited. I'm like all pumped, the energy's going, and I'll put down like my phone, I'll take a break usually. And within 20 minutes of the release of that guest interview, I've got leads coming to me like crazy. And it is the most amazing thing. I could spend all day doing cold outreach and still not have the same effectiveness that guest interviews do. So I really challenge you to join programs, masterminds, and memberships. Find your strategic partners and guest interview. Okay, you'll generate so many leads from it. And lastly, if you want, start your own networking group. What's keeping you from that? All you need is Zoom and a landing page, registration. So everyone that you're meeting in all of these wonderful areas, strategic partners, brand ambassadors, just your friends, right? Or any of your leads that want to get to know you, start a networking group. It's super fun and easy, okay? Now, the power behind this, when it really works, is when you're able to communicate with confidence. And I want you to heighten your awareness of what matters to others, not as much as what matters to you. If you put other people first and you definitely give before you ask for anything, you will have great success with these strategies. Now, you might be saying, okay, Michelle, that's amazing, but like, how do you actually do that, right? Well, first of all, you're always welcome to join my Facebook group. And I think that you'll see the networking that happens in there is really super powerful. So we'll make sure that in the comments, the link is there for you to join, come hang out with me. It's super fun. It's a casual place where you can build relationships and network and connect with other visionary entrepreneurs. Now, the other thing though, is that you'll also see in the comments below that I have my closer bundle available, and my closer bundle will help you navigate the sales confidence behind these major types of conversations and really help you with your presence in terms of being able to really truly shine as yourself and clearly communicate using the most adaptive processes out there for sales conversations. So actually one of the bonuses inside that is really fun that will specifically help you with this. And that is how to run a networking meeting. Okay, some people call it a coffee chat that turns into one of these opportunities. Okay, it's a really powerful tool I would love to teach to you. And it is how to approach a conversation with the other person top of mind, top of priority. Remember, if you're thinking about others, then it becomes a lot more fun and a lot easier. And I always say taking this empathetic approach and thinking of others, it's going to serve you tenfold. So go check out the closer bundle if you're feeling like you need a little bit more help. And if you really like this content and you want more, give me a thumbs up, sign up for notifications with the bell, and of course, please subscribe or share this channel. Until next time, happy selling.